Hello everyone. Today we are gonna make another type of food that is more common in Afghanistan and in Middle East. It's some type of kebab with a type of rice, means pilaw. And here we are to make everything. Here we have woods, a lot of woods everywhere. Let's bring some wood on ready. Here we have rice, pepper, tomatoes, chicken for kebab, and the pan, water, and we have oil, a type of curry masala, and other masala that we need for the cooking today. And we have some beverages, fruits, and of course this one. I love it. We have water with salt inside. This is the kebab and the deer pepper, tomatoes, and that's waiting for the rice. Oil, wow, look. کسی که عاشق است کسی که عاشق است از جان نترسد که کس است هی هی زندان نترسد کمر باریک دلی عاشق مثال دلی عاشق مثال گرگ گشنه است که بینیم هی هی چوپان نترسد کمر باریک هی کمر باریکی من شام تاریکی من یا و نزدیکی من صلح صفا کن جفا دیگر بس است با ما وفا کن کمر باریک هی با ما وفا کن کمر باریک. Wow, this is the best. Ooh, a little bit morchakon, and a little bit, okay, later, tomato. Super. Great. ويخورة